Rolling grilling baskets, round rolling grill basket, portable grill accessories, rolling grilling baskets for outdoor, camping barbecue rack for vegetables, fish French fries. A rolling grill basket is a cooking accessory used for grilling or barbecuing. It typically consists of a basket-like structure with handles and wheels. The basket is designed to hold and cook various types of food, such as vegetables, seafood, or small cuts of meat, while allowing them to be easily turned or moved on the grill. The primary purpose of a rolling grill basket is to make it more convenient to cook delicate or small food items that may be difficult to handle directly on the grill grates. The basket prevents the food from falling through the grates or sticking to them, while still allowing the flames or heat from the grill to reach the food and cook it evenly. The wheels and handles of a rolling grill basket allow you to easily roll and turn the food while it's cooking, ensuring that it is evenly cooked on all sides. This feature eliminates the need to use tongs or other tools to individually flip each piece of food. To use a rolling grill basket, you typically place the food inside the basket, close the basket securely, and then place it on the preheated grill. You can then roll or rotate the basket as needed to ensure even cooking. Some rolling grill baskets also have adjustable features, such as a height-adjustable grill basket to accommodate different food thicknesses or a removable handle for easier storage. Convenience of rolling grill basket. The rolling grill basket makes grilling easier by providing a secure and contained space for your food. It typically features a mesh or perforated design that allows heat and smoke to penetrate the food while keeping it intact. Versatility. The rolling grill basket is suitable for grilling various types of foods, such as vegetables, seafood, poultry, and smaller cuts of meat. It prevents smaller food items from falling through the grill grates and ensures even cooking. One of the significant advantages of a rolling grill basket is that it simplifies the flipping process. Instead of individually flipping each piece of food, you can flip the entire basket. Difficulty of rolling grill basket: it looks small in size, due to which large quantity of vegetables, meat etc. cannot be cooked at once. And there is a possibility of food getting stuck in the grill basket. This can be frustrating and result in food being torn or difficult to remove from the basket.